Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to look at Aveum token launch update. It is becoming interesting. If you are mining this project, I have a good news for you. And if you have not started mining Aveum, look at the link in the video description. Do where to start immediately. Like they said, this update was made on October 21st, and they said Aveum token desk trading launch. So this token is going to be launched officially on the desk. But they said Aveum token is entering a new era. Dear Aveum community, after months of dedicated work and preparation, the next chapter begins. Aveum token will be tradable on the centralized exchange, that's the CEX. So this token is going to be tradable. So they said this is a major milestone towards expanding our community and strengthening the Aveum ecosystem. So they said that on June 1st, 2026, all trading and transfer locks will be fully lifted. So you know that once you have minimum of 50 Aveum, you can send to any desk exchange, that's Trust Wallet, MetaMask, any Web3 wallet, and they are saying that on June 1st, 2026, that the trading and transfer locks will be fully lifted. Once you transfer it, you can now sell it immediately. It will not be locked again. So what are you waiting for? Look at the link in the video description. From that day, Aveum token will be freely tradable on the open market. The power of Aveum lies within its community. Together we rise higher. On June 1st, you can easily trade your Aveum on the market. So that is a good news. So you still have time to accumulate more Aveum. To get 50 Aveum that will help you to withdraw is not easy. 50 Aveum is not easy, so you must be consistent. So here is the Aveum app. You need to have at least 50 Aveum before you'll be able to withdraw to any desk exchange. So if you don't have 50 Aveum, keep on mining, just be active. They have already brought out their listing price, which is at 0.0215, and the market cap is 21.31 million, while the liquidity is $7,700. So what are you waiting for? This is how you mine. For you to mine, you come here that is saying active, then you will collect you see collect, you click on it, you collect the one that you have, and you start mining. Once you start mining, it will now show stop. So this is how you mine, and you mine every 24 good hours. So what are you waiting for? You can as well boost to increase your mining rate, but that is not a financial advice. Coming to the task session, you have a lot of tasks to do. You have the daily check-in where you do your daily check-in. Now you have to watch their YouTube video, their Telegram, follow them on different channels and earn rewards. So let me claim this reward. Let me know if I can claim. So wow, I've gotten 20. So this is basically what you need to do. Do your tasks to earn more Aveum token. So right now I have 62 Aveum. So I am qualified to withdraw to my exchange. So that will be my next video. So make sure you do this. But before you withdraw, you have to do your KYC. Sorry, let's go to this place. You have to do your KYC, you verify yourself, you do phone number verification. Right now it is not going, but you can try it. I've tried it. The phone number verification did not go through. So what I'm going to do is just to perform my KYC, which I have not done. I'll do it after this video. Then I can be able to withdraw to my exchange. So what are you waiting for? Start immediately and accumulate as many Aveum token as you can. So that is it for this video. I hope you got value from this video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.